It's about finally time that I talk to you about my exhaust system. Yes, people, welcome back to another 2-Minute Tuesday, and today we're talking all about my exhaust system and what I've done to this bike to get this sound. So let's talk about it, and I'm going to come around this side with the action camera to talk about this first part here. Underneath this stock bar that you can see here, the stock heat shield, is the Free Spirit H-pipe. Now this is specifically designed to remove the catalytic converter, and it really is as simple as removing a couple of bolts in order to get access to this thing. And I think it just adds a whole new sound to this bike. Now if you scroll back through some of my older footage, you'll notice that I often talk about the Free Spirit H-pipe when I only had that and what it did for this bike. And you can hear from there, even with the stock pipes, it sounds absolutely incredible. But to really open up that fruity note, we've gone with the Zard 6-day slip-ons, and they look oh so good. Nice and short, keeping that stock dual exit look, and it really does add to the bike. And that's really it. The only thing that I've done to the Zards was painted the stock heat shield, and as you can see, some of it's kind of chipped away from where my pillion has been using boots on the back of the bike. But that is really it. Anyway, if you've got any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Like the video if you do, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.